Precog makes it radically simple to get business-ready data from your SaaS sources. Here's how. Sign in using Google or Microsoft, or create a username and password. Next, click on Add New Pipeline. Precog supports thousands of sources. Just start typing. Here, I'm going to search for HubSpot. Found it. Name your connector. Let's use HubSpot Demo. Grab your API key from HubSpot and paste it here, and add a start date. Precog connects to your source's API and automatically returns a list of all the datasets. Pick one, some, or all of them. I'll select them all and then continue. That was simple. Now select a destination. Precog supports the most popular data warehouses and databases. Let's choose Snowflake. Here's a quick look at the data in Snowflake. Notice, we didn't need a developer or DBA for any of this. On to the final destination. In many cases, it's BI, custom reporting. You can also use data in machine learning and AI workflows, or you build custom apps. Let's not forget that Precog lets you choose how often you want the data refreshed. You can do it once, daily, even up to every 15 minutes. Best of all, Precog is only syncing what's changed since the last sync. Precog is entirely different than what you're used to. Precog has eliminated complexity and cost and made a truly extensible product that will help companies get exponentially more value from their data. With immediate access to all of your data, what are you going to do next? Contact us today.